Hi, I'm Connie Myers, the founder and the CEO of CKM Solutions Group. I am the author of the Crisis Knowledge Management Certification Program. It's actually been offered in California now for a couple of years, since October of 2019, and we've had over 2,600 people register for the course. By becoming a CKM advisor, you actually put an additional tool in your toolkit so that you can be the hero in your community. Margaret Crispella and Shannon Hoff are hosting me at an event in the Roseville area on August 26th from 9 to 2. By attending the Power of Preparedness workshop, at the end, you will become a CKM advisor. Now, what will that do for you? Well, not only will it put a tool in your toolkit, but it will also help you to stand out in your community and be a trusted leader when it comes to disasters and crisis. And especially right now with all the fires and everything that's going on there, wouldn't it be great if you knew all different kinds of ways that you could give back and help your community? You'll be able to stay connected and be engaged as a CKM advisor because I'm going to provide you every single month ongoing information that you can provide out to your community. It's all done for you. You don't have to do anything. If you decide that you want to be actually doing the training, then you receive the slides. If you just want to send it out to people or put together a meeting, then I do all the work for you, in addition to marketing collaterals and an article that I ghostwrite just for you. By doing this, you become the go-to person in your community and help me with my vision of helping 30 million people be better prepared. You also are going to help your community reduce the risk as well as increase your exposure in your community. Who are they going to call if you're out there giving back and making a difference? Who are they going to call when they need help with your services? You become a trusted advisor and it'll increase your reach as well as your services. When Bob McKinnon, the Director of Leadership for Exit Realty International and one of the original founders of Century 21 interviewed me, this is what he said. What a beautiful fit for a real estate professional in the community trying to get yourself to stand out. A magnificent fit. I hope you'll be able to join us on August 26th from 9 to 2 in Roseville. I've attached a flyer that has all the information and the registration, and it typically costs $297, but thanks to Marguerite and Shannon, it's only $99. Just think of what you can do, especially right now with everybody hurting so badly around the fires. You can make a real difference. I hope to see you there. Thanks.